and Ms. Carmela Manuel, Company Manager of Tanghalan Company.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo, lalo-lalo sa mga suki na nanonood ng Virgin Love Fest. Ito naman tayo, 20 taon na ang Virgin Love Fest. Actually, technically, in a span of 21 years, meron kasi isang taon na samang pala dahil sa pandemic, kinailangan mag-online reruns. yung mga hindi kami nakapaglabas ng mga bago nila. So, to go back, way back, 20 years ago, 2005, yes. Simula ang Virgin Love Fest ng kaming dalawa ni
Herbie Go, ang dating artistic director ng Tanghalan Pilipino, at si Romy.
Hanggang ngayon, ay writer's block head pa din. Nagkita kami at sabi namin, based on our experience sa isang 3-year collaborative project sa Japan, sabi namin, gagawa tayo ng isang event kung saan may papalabas natin yung talagang gusto lang natin gawin na wala sa rasyonal at saka calendar ng respective theater companies. At eto na nga, nang nagkita kami, ang sabi ni Herbie, sige, meron kang mga plays ang writer's block. Doon kami nagsimula, hindi pa kami nag-call ng submissions. We came up with 8 plays. And that was the very first year ng writer's block. At something magical happened dahil nagsama-sama nang hindi namin masyadong ini-intend ang iba't ibang miyembro ng iba't ibang mga theater groups. At isang director, halimbawa from PETA, will direct actors from repertory and Tanghalan and other groups. At na-realize namin na hindi lang pala ito Playwrights Festival, but also an opportunity and a venue for all the different theater company members to come together. And eventually, that became the community of Virgin Love Fest.
Paano pumasok ang CCP?
Kasi dito naman talaga ginawa yung sa Batute. I think the CCP became a full partner on its second year. Kasi we never ever thought that this will go on. Ang gusto lang namin, yung taon na yon, sige, game. It was the sort of the dead months of all theater companies. Usually, pagkatapos nila mag-summer workshop, wala silang ginagawa, and then magpapalabas na sila starting the school year, which was July, August. So June was the opportunity for us to do the things that we really wanted outside the theater company's calendar. Nakita ng CCP na, okay ito Kasi tamang-tama, it was the same year that Cinemalaya was born. So it became a whole 3 months of new works in film and in theater. And that's when CCP started to become a full partner. Along that way with NCCA, but eventually CCP and Tanghalan Pilipino Writers Block ang nanatiling magpa-partners hanggang ngayon. So 20 years na kami. And through those years, we've had 258 one-act plays, 3 full-length plays. There was a time na nagtangka kaming mag-full-length, 72 stage readings, 5 festival directors, 4 venues, Batute, and then pumasok sa Little Theater, and then ito, and yung 4th was during the online years ng pandemic. And since year 4, we've had around 100 to almost 300 entries per year na sumasali sa Virgin Love Fest. So habang kasalita ako, ngayong araw ito, nagdala ko yung laptop ko dahil binabasa ko namin, because for next year, there are 230 entries na vying for the Magic 12. And this year, we've had the highest
Submissions.
That's for next year. No? But this year, this festival, we've had the highest number of virgin playwrights. Ibig sabihin, first time silang makapasok sa Virgin Lab Fest. And 7 of those, actually, itong mapapanood ninyo sa June, is the first play that they ever wrote in their lives. Mention ko lang sila, no? Si Siege Malvar, si Ivan Entolizo, si George Sanchez, si Nelsito Gomez, si Ade Valenzona, si CJ Junio, si Lian Suelan, at saka si Harvey Salvador. The rest, comebacking ay sina Ryan Machado, LJ Castro Deldo, si Rolling Miguel Obina, at saka si Jobert Gray Landesa from Naga. So yun, natutuwa kami dahil sa ika-20 taon ng Virgin Love Fest, nananatiling malakas, at the same time may mga ilang mga pagbabagong kayong maliliit lang pagbabago na kayong manonotice pag sumama kayo or nag-attend kayo ng Virgin Love Fest. O nga pala, in the course of the whole 3 years, we've had 4 volumes of published plays na pinalabas ng Virgin Lab. And hopefully, next year, magkaroon ng Volume 5, which we do every 4 or 5 years. So,
Yeah, well, lampas na tayo sa pagdadalaga. At 20 years old, pasok na sa adulthood. So, sabi nga, 20 lucky number, 2020 vision. Ibig sabihin, maliwanag.
Hindi ako kasi every year na-re-virginize ako. So, never ako na-virginize.
So, but Tanghalang Pilipino is still very committed to the triumvirate of CCP, Writer's Block, and continuing with DLF. So, good luck sa ating lahat. And maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mamaya makakapanayan ninyo yung mga playwrights at directors. Thank you very much.